These are really good. You must let me give you something in return.
I'm sure there's nothing of yours that I want.
But take my bladder anyway. I won't be needing it anymore.
Thanks. I think that's the last time I do him a favour. I need something to lever it up with. What exactly is that supposed to achieve? I don't want to exert myself unnecessarily.
Mummy!
No way am I going near that thing. I swear I'll never flush another one of them things down the plug hole again. How's it going?
Not very well, man.